guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, so I got my last couple uploads. I believe I had shared with you guys that I was getting some parts for my truck. So today I had one of my parts, well, two of my parts came in. So I got the coilover kit from Beltec, and then I got the, I believe it's a 3 to 6 inch, and then I got also the air raid cold air intake. I believe that's how you say it, and it's in a box behind me right there. So kind of definitely excited about it. Been a little bit of a wait, but oh well. That's the only thing when you ordering parts for cars and stuff like that, it's definitely, man, it's like a waiting game. The only thing is that you gotta wait. Once you order the parts, you gotta wait for the parts to come in, and then after that, you gotta pretty much, when you get the parts, you gotta wait again, because you gotta wait to take the parts to the shop and then try to get it installed. But the cold air intake, the air raid cold air intake, that I'm gonna do myself. I'm doing a whole different separate upload, but that's gonna take, obviously that's like, I think the installing time is like a 30 minutes, I believe, 30 minutes. But with me, probably gonna take an hour, because I don't have a shop yet. In the future, that's my plan, but I'm gonna be doing it myself. And right now in PA, it's been very, very cold, so that's the only thing about living down, I guess, down here in PA, Jersey, places like that. It's like, just get real cold, and it gets so cold out, it's like, it doesn't even make you want to do anything, pretty much. But, you know, we're still gonna have to get it done. But I'm gonna show you guys exactly what's in the box. Once I get a chance, I'm not gonna try to open it, because it's a huge box, and I'm actually driving. I'm in my car right now. But I'm gonna show you guys exactly everything I have. This is, I believe, I believe this was about 3 something, close to like 4. And it's a good core intake. I've seen a lot of good reviews about it. Just excited to be able to try and get it installed on my truck and see what's the difference, to be honest. Obviously it is going to be a different, because it's not like it's aftermarket parts, and it's not like the OEM from like the actual dealership, where it restricts the vehicle from actually being at its best, pretty much. But all right, y'all, I'm about to show you guys my new cold air intake. It's in a huge box, so try to grab it in a way. It's kind of freezing outside right now. So this is it. Lily, come out real quick. Gotta ask my niece to take my picture. Come outside real quick. All right, y'all, so I did not get the chance to try to do an unboxing, because I'm not home yet. So probably gonna do it when I get home, or I'm probably not. I mean, ain't nothing really fancy or special. You gotta put your seatbelt on. Oh, I can't go out this way. Get out this way. Hey, man, I was about to hop the curb. Gotta back up. It's like a weird spot to drive, yo. Hey, can't even see this.
We have to restart that. Careful.
Certified, Lily. Man, I feel so happy, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. To be able to have this, like my first ever mod on this truck, from owning this truck for about, I'd say almost a year. like my first actual real mod that we finally getting to finally do. If you know the excitement, even though it's not really like a big mod, just a cool air intake, but it feels good to know that we getting some stuff done. So I feel like it been such a long time, you know, it's been such a long time. I've been wanting to do this for quite a long time, but now finally, like I said, so I'm actually trying to keep my words to myself and actually be able to do everything like I said. By next year, the beginning of next year, I was gonna start doing mods, but I'm actually starting this year, end of this year. So I got the core air intake, I got the coilover, bell tag. This, like I said before, this is I think it's for a 5th gen Dodge Ram. All right, let me see you. I believe it's for a 5th gen Dodge Ram, so you could actually get it to fit on your 4th gen Dodge Ram. It's actually pretty cool. It just need a little bit of modification. That's about it. So that's all it takes. So I got that, and then I got that just came in today earlier too, but it's at my house right now. So, but I just got my cold air intake in the back. But those are my first two, and then I have the back. I believe it's the back. Yeah, the back suspension set is like the coilover. Well, not a coilover, but it's the lowering springs. The shocks, pretty much, and then all the other little stuff that you need. That's what's really coming next that I order. So I'm waiting for parts and confirmation and all that stuff for shipping. Probably gonna take at least like 2 weeks, 3 weeks before I get it. So once I get those, that's when I'm planning on doing like the full suspension work, doing the front lowering. So I'm gonna do a 2 to 4. So 2 in the front, 4 in the back, lower, or 2 to 5, whatever, lower and stuff like that. And then that's my first. I feel like that's like my first biggest mod right there. Once I do that, even though the core air intake is still a mod, but I feel like, you know, it's not something that's like visible, if you know what I'm saying. So it really doesn't give me like that. Dang, like that's gonna be like, dang, I could keep, you know, if you know what I'm talking about, bro. I'm happy right now, man. Like, I'm happy. I've been waiting for such a long time. It's like, you know the feeling when you plan something, you've been waiting for such a long time to make everything come to happen, and then you finally get to that chance where stuff's starting to fall in place. It just bring like that excitement to you, like, dang, I'm really starting to make like my dreams start to come true of me actually doing like a whole customization to this truck, like, and we doing a race truck. I'm pretty much right now, I'm just doing the looks and stuff. So you guys definitely want to stay tuned and be able to, you know, follow the build. So I definitely see you guys in the next one. Peace out. All right, y'all. So finally got this in my house. So now I'm about to show you guys pretty much what's inside. This is the regular box. It just says that on the side. Show you guys right now exactly how this thing look. There's a lot of stuff that's in here. Holy shit. So this, I'm guessing this is the air filter that's in there. Yeah, this is the air filter. This is a pretty huge setup, I ain't gonna lie. It's my first time seeing exactly how it is. Dang. Went with plastic. I think they only make these in plastic though. But if you're gonna get, quick little tip, if you're gonna get core air intake, definitely go with plastic instead of how you call it, metal, because the metal is like, it traps the heat pretty much, and you don't want that going in your engine and stuff like that. So damn, I'm dropping shit. But you want to have plastic, very easy, simple, cool things down better and faster than metal. So the metal just gonna trap the heat. It's pretty dope though, I ain't gonna lie. It says aerate on the side. Let's see what else I got in here. Got the cap. This is what it's gonna be getting installed to, I believe, the filter. And then got some other stuff in here. It's pretty cool setup, I ain't gonna lie. Pretty huge box too. Got the instruction down there. Let me try to take this out. Damn, this is huge. Yeah, this is pretty huge, I ain't gonna lie. And this is the high flow air filter right here. It's in there. But yeah, it's pretty dope. Pretty dope.